Kamusta mga Juan? I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso. And welcome back to another vlog. And for today's video, pupunta tayo ng Cape Palliser. So medyo mahaba-habang biyahe ito, mga 2 hours and 30 minutes ata. So hindi pa natin napuntahan yon. Puntahan natin ngayon. Located siya sa may south coast of Northern Island ng New Zealand. So ayun, puntahan natin and keep on watching. Episode 10 na tayo everyone, and this episode, biyahe naman tayo in one of the well-known lighthouses in New Zealand's North Island. From Wind Turbines to Lighthouses, I am your Nomadic Juan, at tara samahan niyo ako, biyahe with me in New Zealand at Cape Palliser.
Nomadic.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything.
The road to Cape Palliser is dramatically scenic. This area of New Zealand has a rich history of early Maori occupation, and heritage sites are part of the fascinating landscape. For the final part of the journey, the road clings to the edge of the coast, providing unstoppable views of the Palliser Bay. Yo everyone, and welcome to Cape Palliser. I'm your Nomadic Juan, and this is episode 10 of our biyahe with me in New Zealand. So, punta muna tayo ng dagat and tignan natin bago tayo aakyat. So, medyo nakakahilo siya mga Juan, medyo nakakasuka yung daan kasi paikot-ikot siya, pero pagdating mo dito sa malapit na sa may Cape Palliser, medyo worth it kasi maganda yung tanawin everyone. Tulad nito ipapakita ko sa inyo. And yun mga Juan, may nakita ako, papakita ko sa inyo, may nakita tayong mga seal. Sabi nila marami daw ditong mga seal army, so swerte natin kasi may nakita tayo, papakita ko sa inyo. Hello. Medyo galit siya everyone. Medyo galit siya kaya tingin ko huwag na natin lapitan. Ito, ang dami nila. Yun. Ito sa 2, 3. Ang dami nila oh. Uy, galit pa siya eh. Yun, so swerte natin, may nakikita tayong seal today. Tara, akyat na tayo. Huwag na natin gambalain yung mga seal kasi busy sila sa pagka-sunbathing. And tara, keep on watching everyone.
See the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Installed in 1897, the Cape Palliser Lighthouse will test your fitness. Take a deep breath and climb the 250 steps. Once you're at the top, it's easy to see why this area of ocean was known for seafaring disasters. During the 19th century, there were about 20 ships wrecked in or near Palliser Bay. Nakakahingal pero worth it ang view sa taas. Yun, so mga Juan, bago yung maabot yung Cape Palliser Lighthouse, kailangan nyo umakyat ng hagdan, mga 253 steps daw. Medyo nakakahingal siya. go! Alam mo, God wants to tell you na hindi kita dadalhin sa isang laban na hindi kita ipapanalo. Kung nasa punto ka na ngayon ng pagsuko, just know that God is fighting your battles. At kahit pabigat ng pabigat ang iyong mga pasanin, alam mong hindi ka nag-iisa dahil kasama mo siya at ipaglalaban ka niya. There will always be struggles to face, mountains to climb, pero akyatin mo lang kaibigan. Para saan pat darating ka din sa goals mo. Balang araw, ikaw naman. Panalo ka kung magtitiwala ka sa kanya. Hiraya Manawari. Hope one day, your dreams will come true. Maikli lang buhay, piliin mong maging masaya. Let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness. Yun, so nakatingnan natin yung lighthouse. Actually, binansagan nila tong Grand Old Lady ng Cape Palliser. And this is the view after.
I'll go anywhere the way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you will say yes.
And that's Cape Palliser, everyone. Sabi nila itinayo siya bandang 1897. And unang umilaw to October 27, 1897. Yun. So pag akyat nyo dito, after ng 253 steps na hagdanan, ito yung bubungad sa inyo, yung lighthouse. And makikita nyo yung magandang sceneries ng ocean, kung saan natin nakita yung mga zeal kanina.
I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
And that's it mga Juan. I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang yung hugot travel bay na may puso. Tatapusin ko na yung vlog natin kasi medyo hapon na and kailangan natin umuwi kasi medyo matagal pa yung biyahe natin, mga 2 hours plus. Yun, so yun ang Cape Palliser and that's the lighthouse, everyone. So I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang yung hugot travel bay na may puso, and this is episode 10 of our biyahe with me in New Zealand. So see you on my next vlog.
'Cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that